In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an overlay in PowerPoint for a more creative look. Whether you're crafting a presentation for work, school, or a personal project, adding a creative touch can really make your slides stand out. Don't worry if you're new to this, I'll guide you through each step. First, start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Once it's up and running, navigate to the presentation you want to enhance. When your presentation opens, find the specific slide containing the picture you'd like to modify. Click on your chosen picture to select it. You'll know it's selected once you see a border or small circles around it. Next, we need to head over to the Picture Format tab. This tab is your gateway to a range of tools specifically designed for images. Here, look for the option labeled Crop. Once you click on Crop, you'll see different options. Choose Crop to Shape. This feature lets you transform your image into various shapes, providing a unique appearance. From the list, pick the shape that best fits the vision you have for your presentation. Now, turning our attention to adding an overlay, go to the Insert tab. This area of PowerPoint is where you can add elements like shapes, images, and more to your slides. Click on Shape, which will present a library of shape options similar to what we explored in the Crop to Shape feature. Select a shape that closely matches the one you've just applied to your picture. This will complement your image and maintain a cohesive look. With your new shape in hand, it's time to position it professionally on the slide. Right-click the shape, and from the menu that appears, select Send to Back. This action layers the shape behind your cropped image, effectively creating an overlay effect. Make sure to adjust the size and position of your shape so that it aligns perfectly with the image, ensuring a seamless and polished result. And just like that, you've successfully added an overlay to your PowerPoint slide. This technique not only enhances the visual appeal of your presentation, but also helps convey a more professional or creative narrative. Keep experimenting with different shapes and styles to find what best suits your storytelling needs. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you play around with these tools, the more versatile you'll become in using PowerPoint to its fullest potential. Enjoy crafting those stunning presentations.